Hey guys, Elvis here from Always Be Closing. I'm new to the team. Hope you like our YouTube channel. We're here right now, and the new office is one of the rooms over here in Hackensack, New Jersey. First things first, I'm gonna ask you guys to slam the subscribe button. Please like this video. Like every video we post, every like helps, and we're gonna do our best to provide valuable content for you guys for every single video. Hopefully you like everything we put out there. You might not like everything, no one always likes everything, but we'll do our best. And please like, please subscribe. For this video, right now this coronavirus outbreak thing is messing with everybody's lives. I know for me, I already lost my job. I'm pretty much getting laid off. I'm gonna have to go into workers, whatever the heck is. I don't know, I've never done it before, so now I have to freaking file for that. So that way I get money. Otherwise I won't be able to pay my bills. Luckily I have a savings, but it's not the same for everyone, especially in my age group, mid to early 20s. Most people don't have freaking savings and they don't know what to do with themselves. So in this video, I'm going to be going over, well, basically I'm going to be talking with the guy, the man with the plan, Chuck Kohout. I'm going to be going over a bunch of things with him on how to make money during these hard and trying times. We're basically going to be interviewing him. I'm going to be asking him questions that I know it's on everyone's heads, and you know, we're basically going to be going over things in creative ways to make money during what's happening right now. You know, everyone's saying that there's going to be a big boom, that things are going down the drain, but yet there's still people out there making money right now, and times like these. Not the working class, obviously, like me or most of the people watching this video, but there's people out there making money. Chuck is one of those people. So hopefully you like the video. We're gonna be talking about a lot of stuff that I know you guys are definitely gonna be interested in. It's a lot of questions that's been on my mind, and it's a lot of questions that's been on the mind of the Creative Real Estate Group. If you guys do want to know more, there is a Facebook group. I'm gonna link it down below. There's an Instagram account. I'm gonna link that down below. And again, follow this account, subscribe to it. That way you can keep getting all these valuable videos that keep coming. We're gonna try and post twice a week, Wednesdays and Fridays. That's my dedication to you guys, and hopefully you like everything. So yeah, here's Chuck Kohout. Hey guys, Elvis from Always Be Closing. I'm gonna ask you to elbow that subscribe button, please. I don't want to touch your hands right now. No one does. Anyways, I'm asking the most relevant questions right now because so many people are out of jobs, including myself. I used to work at a car dealership, and even that closed down. They made me come in during several snowstorms, so hard to believe. Right now, I'm going to be asking questions that pretty much everyone is asking right now because they have no way to make money. But first of all, Chuck, introduce yourself.
Hi guys, what's up? My name's Chuck Kohout. If you want to know more about me, just Google me. You'll get more than enough information right there. Anyway, long story short, I've been investing in creative real estate for the last 15 years and nothing else, no day job.
Sure says it all also. I don't know if you guys can read that.
It's, never mind, let's not even go there.
Yeah, don't search that part. All right, anyways, starting from question number one. In these hard and trying times where people are out of jobs because things are closing down, what kind of new money-making skills can we learn?
I mean, honestly, Elvis, we've just been using a lot of the same ones, and I've been closing deals locally like I do on an international or just a state-to-state basis, where if I had to mail a closing packet or just a purchase and sales agreement, an authorization to release and a seller's checklist to, like, let's say Miami,
Right.
I have a copy of that in my office. When it gets to somebody, the mail is still working. We've got lots of sign here tabs on everything, and you're looking at the same thing they're looking at. Technology is there, guys. Like, just like we're making this video, you could fucking FaceTime just about anybody right now. And I'm sorry I'm cursed, but I'm not. I just wanted to drive that point home. Like we're there. There's no fucking excuse. I mean, you can literally FaceTime somebody, have them flip the camera around, and have them do a virtual tour of their house before you get paperwork signed. Not like you would care, but you could do it.
Yeah, now a lot of people want to come outside right now. I mean, I'm outside, but we don't care, man. We're out
It's
here.
spring. It's nice.
Yeah, you got to enjoy the weather while it's still here. Anyways, question number two. How would those money-making skills be relevant during times like this, where people don't want to step outside and self-quarantine is recommended?
Oh, Christ. I mean, get ready. Like, the next boom is coming and crash. Like, the boom happened. Nobody is working. You lost your job. You said it yourself. There's an airplane flying overhead, and, I mean, literally, if people can't pay, they can't pay their rents, they can't pay their mortgages. I was looking at a rental portfolio, and literally we're down to like 25% of our typical collected rents by this time of the month. And I mean, normally we're well over 80. I know that the governor has gone on national TV already and told everybody there's a moratorium on evictions and foreclosures for the next 90 days. We just made a bunch of phone calls to a bunch of different banks and actually put off the payments on a bunch of loans that we have. But there's a lot of people that aren't smart enough to do that.
Yeah.
And next month is going to be their first default. It's going to take 3 months. Those people are in foreclosures. The list is going to start exploding. So if some of you guys want to work from home, we'd be more than happy to give you 100 leads in the town where you work. All you got to do is call them.
All right, man. So, I mean, that makes total sense. Most people don't know some of the terms that you threw out there, but I mean, later again, we're probably gonna make more videos to elaborate.
Yeah,
on
just smash the fucking subscribe button.
Yeah.
If you want to know, we'll go over all these terms later. We can talk about what an authorization to release is or a purchase and sales agreement.
You know, just freaking rock bottom that.
Yeah. I mean, you can use your elbow. Give it the people's elbow.
Is that Animal Crossing?
I mean, yeah, man. What do you expect? Freaking this guy Tom Nook just charged me 198,000 bells to remodel my house. Someone's got to pay him back. It's not gonna be you, is it? Anyways, outro to the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please like. Don't pound it. Don't slam it or anything like that. Use your elbows, guys. We're practicing safeness out here. I don't want to spread anything. Hopefully you guys found it valuable. Hopefully you guys learned something. Please go to all our pages. I'm going to link them down below. Like all those things so that way you guys can learn more and keep growing. It's all about financial freedom. It's all about personal growth. There's a lot of information out there, and we're just trying to compile it all in one place for you. So again, like, subscribe, and we're going to be bringing you more videos. Next week, probably 2 more videos. I'm going to try and be posting every Wednesday, every Friday. I'm going to try and do the same for this week. I just got to see how long it takes me to edit this video. I'm a little bit new to this, but I'll figure it out. No worries. But anyways, thank you guys. Love you all. Peace out.